Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Thanks for coming to the video. Today I will be unboxing and doing some pen swatches of the Pentel Hybrid Dual Metallic Pens. I actually purchased this one, it's not in the set. The set I got at Amazon. This one I got at a pen store in my city. So it's very different because the pen color and the glitter color are different. So these are the colors. We have, let's see, so let's start here. This one is gold on gold. This one is a silver, I'm guessing silver and gray. This one is a blue and purple, I believe. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So you see how it looks purple, but once when like the glitter is blue. Let's see. So that would be the color of the ink, and then here this is the glitter. So this is a green pen, green ink with blue glitter. Let's see. Green ink. Yep. This one looks like blue with the green. Oops. And it's quite juicy too. I don't know if you can tell. This one looks like an orange with a goldish. Yeah. You can tell, right? Like even that glitter looks, the purple glitter looks different from the blue glitter. Green looks kind of like a teal against green. That orange is very nice, looks like a sunset. Is this maybe a red with pink glitter? Let's see. Looks more like hot pink. It's so glittery. Then lastly, this is a black with a red glitter. I believe I purchased this set on sale on Amazon for almost $20 Canadian. This one was, I think, $3 by itself. Clearly, like, let's see. Is this one easier to see? Yeah. So normally ink would be to there, and I use it to there. This one is yellow with green glitter. This is so beautiful. Wow. So that's this one. There are 2, 4, 6, 8 pens. They probably have other colors, as you know. Oh, let's do a little let's see. What's the next one? The black. No. Orange, blue, green, purple. silver and gold. Not sure if it's that obvious that it changed colors. Like this blue is supposed to be this one, so it's supposed to show the green on the black, but it doesn't. And the green doesn't show a different color. The black, does it show a red? No. I mean, I don't know. Feel like the color still looks the same, but having two colors like here, seeing the the purple ink with the blue glitter, that's super cool. Like that, especially this black. Yeah. So there you have it. That's 11 colors though. Oh no, I can't. 9 colors, the 8 from the pack and then the 1 extra. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.